Now I am talking and you're hearing the LG Stylo 4, and now you're hearing the audio on the Q7 Plus. What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a comparison of the cameras on the Q7 Plus, the Alcatel 7, and the LG Stylo 4. I'm going to show you guys the video, the audio, and the picture quality, and then towards the end of the video you can make your decision which one is a better phone for you. So you're listening to the audio now on the LG Stylo 4, and now the audio on the Alcatel 7, and then the audio on the Q7 Plus. This is the camera angle from direct sunlight, and now the other way. Okay, again the audio on the LG Stylo 4, on the Alcatel 7, and the Q7 Plus. You don't have to cross these. Now we're gonna do a test on the front-facing camera. Alright guys, so I have Taha here. He's helping me with the other two phones. So this one right here I'm talking to is the Q7, LG Q7. That right there is the LG Stylo 4, and then the Alcatel 7. So here you go. This is the quality. What do you think? Which one's better?
My favorite is
I'm actually liking the LG Stylo 4.
this one.
Yeah.
I'm liking this one.
It's not bad. Well, I mean, you guys get to decide which one's better. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Sounds good. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys the photos. This video took so much time, as you can imagine, to edit. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. And then if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. See you guys in the next one.